Check it out, everyone. I got this sent to me to review for you guys. Check it out. The mini jet fan. Violent fan. Brushless mini jet fan. Now, there's something that I think every RC person should have in the toolkit, and that's a good battery-powered fan for cleaning out the RC, either before loading it into your car or once you get done running, and that's it. Doesn't matter even if you're like me, have a big air compressor sitting at home. This is really handy to have. So let's open it up and I'll give you an honest review of what I think of this little fan. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, I strongly believe in these. I've tried a couple. As a matter of fact, I have this one here. The first one I ever started out with. It's not very good. You got this very just unreliable kind of switch in the bottom here, and true story, I actually had this in my bag. I was running several cars out there one day, had everything on the ground. Now there's rattlesnakes out where I run, and I was coming home and I heard this hissing noise, and I thought it was a snake. I slammed on the brakes, went off in the grass, damn near wrecked my car, and it was all because after I got done unloading everything, when I picked up my yellow DeWalt bag that I keep everything in, I heard the hissing again. It was this thing just malfunctioning. So yeah, I was done with it at that point. Now I replaced the fan already, but the blower, but I don't know, I'm not really satisfied with the battery life of it. I can barely get 2 cars blown out. So let's see what we get in the box. Wow, there's a lot of stuff here. Double-sided brush. It's kind of flat over here, round over here. Got a hand and another brush. Got another brush. Yeah, another brush. Guess it's for putting on your blush. Another brush. Check that out. But ain't no shortage of brushes here. You get the little paintbrush. Wow, even another one. And another one, and check it, another brush. 90-day money-back guarantee, 24-month warranty, 1-to-1 VIP after-sales service. Got a decent-looking bag here to keep all the parts here. Oh, look at that little cloth for cleaning your glasses or camera gear. Some instructions. We get a USB-C cable, and then here we go. We got the power. Wow, look at the turbine looking. So oh yeah, it's even on one. It's doing a. Whoa! I just blew a damn remote. Oh wow, yeah, wow. Yeah, that's some power there. Wow. That has got some power. So there's a magnetic tip here that holds this on. I don't know why that would come off at all. None of these parts kind of go in here. That would be kind of cool if there was something that snapped on here that was like a little brush, so you could use for brushing something, but so yeah, we got 4 flashing LEDs. I believe that's going to be your charge indicator. And then the fan button here. So each dot's going to show us what. So we got 4 speeds. 1, 2, 3. Holy moly. This thing. Wow. This has some power. So now the true test is, I'm going to go take an RC car out. We're going to get it properly as dirty as possible, and then we're going to use this to see how good it does blowing out all the dirt. So let's go get the RC dirty and test this thing out. All right, so just had a fun day at the beach over here running this sand rail, and as you can see, we have a lot of sand caught up in here. It might seem fairly easy to clean, but this sand can get anywhere and everywhere. So let's go ahead and use the handy dandy blower here, clean this out, and then I'll let you know what I think of it when I'm done. So there it is, pretty clean. I am happy with that. I will say the one thing I don't care for too much is this magnetic piece on the front. As I found out here cleaning the car, I bumped it and it shot out and went flying. Plus you put it in your bag, it just kind of easy to fall off. So not really a fan of that. I wish it was secured a little better. I also think it would be cool if there was an attachment, like I said, that had like a tube and maybe some brushes. That would make cleaning in here really easy to get into those hard reach spaces, blowing air and having the nozzles. Now other than that, I really like the way this thing is set up. So you got your USB-C, which is nice, no micro USB. USB-C, we have your charging LEDs down here on the bottom. You have your indicator LEDs here. What I really like is you turn this on and then you could just get the fan going and just turn it off. My other ones, you'd have to cycle through all the speeds. So if you were on a lower speed, you'd have to go through all the speeds to go turn it off. So I like that I could just turn that off. Plenty of power. It took me quite a while to get the sand out because this is just such fine stuff. It takes forever, and other than getting a little warm, battery is still full. So that is very nice compared to the one I had before that, like I said, maybe 2 RCs and it was completely dead. I like it. I like the way this is set up. I like the power of it. Man, this thing really moves some air. So if you have an RC car, this is like a must-have. Because for me, like, I have a good air compressor at home, but how do I get it home without dumping a bunch of sand in my vehicle? Or like this case, my RV. I can't unless I have like this on hand and I can do it. And if you don't happen to have an air compressor or something at home, you know, this will definitely do the job. Especially if you like hose off the car and now you got to dry it. You can, you know, if it's all wet, you want to dry it so stuff doesn't rust. Boom, here you go. Use this thing. This, man, this, to me, this is like a must-have tool for anybody in the RC, and it works great for anything else too. You know, it's like I could use this to blow out the RV if I want to, clean up some of the sand, or you know, just anything like my workbench or shop, stuff like that. So these definitely come in handy. It's a lot more convenient than those compressed air cans. All right, everyone, check it out. There will be a link down below where you can purchase one of these. It does work, man. I wouldn't promote it if it didn't work, or if I felt there was something. I get no reason to lie and tarnish my name if it's not a good product. But I like it, man. I've used this, is like the 3rd one I've had. They definitely come in handy. I love having one of these. Oh, another thing that's nice too, that's one thing, this can't accidentally come on in your bag, because I mean, if it's in your bag and you hit the power button, it's not going to come on. You actually have to hold it for a little bit and then it comes on. So that's really nice too, because even my new one, I've had that happen where it just comes on because it bumped in the bag and now it's back there just chugging away, wasting batteries. But there you go. Like I said, link down below where you can get that. Other ways of helping the channel, have discount codes for many companies. I try to do the best I can for you. So I hope you found this informative, enjoyed, pick one up. You're going to enjoy having nice clean cars to take home. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. See you next one.